Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Looking to dive into the world of data analytics, here are the top 5 schools you should consider in 2024. First one is MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. MIT is renowned for its data analytics programs combining top-notch education with cutting-edge research opportunities. Second is Stanford Universities. Stanford offers a strong curriculum focused on data science and analytics with excellent industry connections. Third is University of California, Berkeley. UC Berkeley Data Science Institute provides one of the most comprehensive data analytics programs globally. Fourth is Carnegie Mellon University. Known for its technology-driven approach, Carnegie Mellon offers specialized programs in data analytics. And last is Harvard University. Harvard blends data analytics with business acumen, making it a great choice for future data leaders. Choose the right school and start your data analytics journey today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. Thank you so much.